Waking up and getting ready in the morning.
Tom, wake up.
What time is it?
It's 7 o'clock already.
I want to sleep more.
No, you must get up now.
5 more minutes, please.
No, you will be late.
Late for what?
Late for work.
Oh no, I forgot.
Yes, hurry, get out of bed.
Okay, I am getting up.
Did you brush your teeth?
Not yet. I am still sleepy.
Go and brush your teeth now.
All right, I'm going.
Don't forget to wash your face.
Yes, I will wash it.
Do you want breakfast?
Yes, I am hungry.
I made eggs and bread.
That's good. Thank you.
Hurry, your tea is getting cold.
Okay, I will drink it now.
Do you feel awake?
A little, but I need coffee too.
You already have tea.
I know, but coffee makes me strong.
You are funny.
What about you? Did you wake up early?
Yes, I woke up at 6.
Wow, that's early.
Yes, I like mornings.
I don't like mornings.
That's why you are always late.
Maybe you are right.
Look at the time. It's almost 8.
Oh no, I must hurry.
Yes, put on your shoes.
Where is my bag?
On the chair.
Okay, I got it.
Don't forget your phone.
Thank you, I almost forgot.
Be careful on the way.
Yes, see you later.
Have a good day at work.
Thank you. Bye, Lisa.
Bye, Tom.
Meeting and talking in the park.
Hi there. Nice day, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The weather is lovely.
I don't come here often. Do you?
Yes, I come. Almost every weekend.
Is this park popular?
Yes, many people like it.
I'm Oliver. What's your name?
I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Do you live near this park?
Yes, I live just around the corner.
What do you usually do here?
I walk, relax, and read books.
What kind of books do you read?
Simple stories and short novels.
That sounds nice. I like reading too.
Do you read every day?
Almost every evening.
What are you reading now?
A short English story. It's easy.
Sounds good.
Do you like music?
Yes, I listen to music a lot.
What kind of music do you like?
Pop and a little jazz.
Do you play any instruments?
No, but I want to learn.
There are music classes nearby.
Really? That's interesting.
They are on Thursdays.
Maybe we can go together.
I'd like that.
We can meet here again.
Yes, this park is perfect.
It was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too. See you soon.
Taking a taxi to the train station.
Hello, is this taxi free?
Yes, it is. Where are you going?
I need to go to the main train station.
Sure, please hop in.
Thank you.
Do you have any bags?
Yes, only one small suitcase.
Okay, I'll put it in the boot.
Thanks a lot.
No problem. Please take a seat.
All right, I'm ready.
Would you like the air on?
Yes, please. It's quite warm today.
Okay, I'll turn it on now.
How long will the ride take?
Around 15 minutes.
Is the road busy right now?
A little, but it's moving.
Good. I don't want to miss my train.
Don't worry, you'll arrive on time.
How much will the trip cost?
About 20 pounds.
That sounds fine.
Do you travel by train often?
Yes, almost every week.
Ah, I understand.
Do you work as a driver every day?
Yes, 6 days a week.
Is it tiring sometimes?
Yes, but I enjoy it.
That's good to hear.
Look, the station is just ahead.
Wow, that was quick.
Yes, traffic is light today.
Thank you for the ride.
You're welcome. We've arrived.
What's the final price?
20 pounds, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Would you like change?
No, that's okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye, and have a nice trip.
Airport check-in before the flight. Good morning.
Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. Where are you traveling today?
I'm flying to another country today.
All right. How many bags are you checking in?
I have 2 bags with me.
Are both bags heavy?
One is heavy, one is light.
Okay, I'll check the weight now.
Sure, no problem.
One bag is fine, but the other is too heavy.
Oh dear, what should I do?
You need to pay a small extra fee.
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you. Please place your bags here.
All right, here they are.
Do you have liquids or electronics inside?
Yes, a laptop and a bottle.
Please remove them and use the tray.
Okay, just a second.
Thank you. Everything looks good now.
That's great.
Here is your boarding card.
Thanks. Which gate is it?
Gate 12. Boarding starts soon.
Okay, how can I get there?
Walk straight and turn left.
All right, I got it.
Do you need any help?
No, I'm fine.
Have a pleasant flight.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I feel excited about this trip.
That's nice. Enjoy it.
I will. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Take care.
Finding a seat and getting help on the plane.
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Yes, of course. What is the problem?
I can't find my seat.
May I check your boarding pass?
Yes, here you are.
Your seat is 14C, on the left side.
Oh, I see. Thank you.
You're welcome. Would you like help with your bag?
Yes, please. It's quite heavy.
I'll place it in the overhead locker.
Thanks a lot.
No problem. Are you okay now?
Almost. I feel a bit nervous.
That's normal. The flight is very safe.
I hope so. Could I have a drink?
Yes. What would you like?
Just some water, please.
Here you go. Would you like something to eat?
Yes, please.
Here is a sandwich and some fruit.
Thank you. It looks good.
You're welcome. Do you feel cold?
Yes, a little.
Here is a blanket for you.
Thanks. That helps a lot.
Do you need help with your headphones?
Yes, I don't understand them.
Let me help you.
Oh, now they work.
Great. Are you comfortable now?
Yes, much better.
If you need anything, press the button.
Thank you. Have a nice flight.
Thank you. Enjoy your journey.
The neighbor's evening meeting.
Hello, neighbor.
Hi, are you going to the meeting tonight?
Which meeting? I did not know about it.
The neighbors' meeting, downstairs on the ground floor.
Oh, I did not see that.
There was a note on the front door.
Ah, I did not read it. It starts at 7 o'clock. What is it about?
It is about cleaning and the lift.
These are two important topics.
Yes, everyone should share their opinion.
Do we have to go there?
No, but it is better to go.
Then I will come. I want to know what is happening.
Good. Then you can also speak.
Does it take long?
It depends. Sometimes 1 hour.
Okay, that is fine. We also vote on things. For example?
For example, the garage door repair.
Oh yes, that interests me. Then you should be there too.
Sure, then I can say my opinion.
Exactly. Every neighbor counts. Who leads the meeting?
The building manager.
Ah, so he speaks first.
Yes, and then everyone else.
Great. Thanks for telling me.
No problem. We will see each other there.
Yes, at 7 on time.
Do not be late.
I will try. See you this evening.
Thanks. See you later.
Locked out next door.
Hello, neighbor.
Hi, are you okay?
I have a small problem.
What happened?
I left my keys inside my flat.
Oh no, what will you do now?
I am not sure, so I rang your bell.
Of course. Do you want to wait here?
Yes, please, until my brother arrives.
No problem. Come in.
Thank you. That is very kind of you.
Do you want to sit on the sofa?
Yes, thanks. I feel a bit nervous.
Do not worry. Does your brother have a spare key?
Yes, he will come in 1 hour.
Perfect. Then we just wait.
I am glad you were at home.
Yes, I was watching TV.
Sorry to disturb you.
No problem. Now I have company.
At least something good. Would you like a glass of water?
Yes, please. That would be nice.
Here you go.
You are really kind.
You are welcome, neighbor. Thank you for letting me wait here.
No worries. I like to help. I will invite you for a coffee sometime.
Deal. Now I already have a plan.
Great. We are neighbors and friends.
Yes, that is the best. Nice to meet you, neighbor.